What's up, y'all? This is Ronald with Double Tap Fishing. And yes, you guessed it, I am back in the state of Florida. I was out here in the springtime and had a great time hooking up. So I came back out here in the summer to see what this is all about. And of course, I can never come out here without connecting with my cousin Daryl. He always puts us in the middle of the fish, in the middle of the action, so it's a great time. And well, yeah, I brought TJ with me because we can't catch all of these fish by ourselves. Oh, and don't forget, go back and check our previous episode when we came out here and we fished Port Canaveral for redfish. It was a great time. If you enjoyed the episode, like it, subscribe, leave us a comment. We would really love to hear from you. So the target species for today is red snapper. Now the red snapper season in Florida waters is June through July. We're just going past that into federal waters, which relegated to 2 days out of the year, which in this case is July 8 and July 9. Now, Daryl went out on July 8 and he hooked up with this monster right here. Such a beautiful fish. So TJ and I are hoping to duplicate those efforts, if not better. You know what? Enough talking. Let's just get into the episode.
Fish on.
Put that part up. Oh, good. There you go. There's Tyrone.
Go get him.
Red snapper, triggerfish. I see white. I see white. Right there for triggerfish. That is a keeper, my man.
Oh, good job. Good job, dude. Good job. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Keeper is in the boat. First keeper.
Good job. Wow, that's a beautiful fish.
Yeah, you know, the one thing that's really, you gotta fix it, this top, this dorsal fin right here. It's just like a nail.
Oh, wow.
It's hard as a rock.
Oh, I see
My trigger
that.
spot.
Nice.
I got a shark. Ah, shoot. Right here, I got a shark. Got a shark.
Hey, who's taking that off? Got a picture with him?
Yeah.
See how he's hooked? That is a perfect hook, right? You're gonna get the picture quick. He might snap it on. That is a perfect hook setting right there, right in the corner of the mouth. That is excellent.
Yeah.
Easy to remove.
Make sure he doesn't.
You're not gonna get that. Yeah, you got that.
Go. Nice work.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's sharks down there. So we're gonna.
Yeah. Oh, fish on.
There we go.
Fish on. Oh, it's got some size to it.
Is this recording? How do I?
Oh, it's recording. You can just spin it this direction.
Okay. Take one. Tyrone's battling the giant. It better not be another remora fish. That's not a remora. That might be target species. Let's see. What do you got coming out? Oh, that's a triggerfish.
Another trigger?
Hopefully. Keeper, we need a keeper, Tyrone. Yep, there it is. You see it? Open the net.
What is that?
Triggerfish.
A trigger?
Oh, a nice one too.
There you go.
All right.
I got it.
Congratulations.
Good job, man.
Beautiful
Thank you.
fish. All right.
Oh, there's tension over here.
Looks like Tyrone's eating tonight.
Yeah, he is.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Good job, bud.
Thank you, thank you.
Moving up to the laboratory. I set that way. Very good deal.
Okay, that's what you call a grunt?
Yeah. So we'll use him for bait.
Oh, okay. And what type of fish usually, eat the grunt? You're gonna use it whole, or you're gonna chop it
I'll
up?
probably fillet it and
Fillet it?
maybe use like a side of it. Or you get butterfly it and fish it back. Snapper eat this.
Nice.
Throw him, Daryl. Go get him.
No.
Not yet.
Carl, you tired?
No.
Oh, there he is, right there. Is that another trigger? This is red snapper.
Yeah,
Is that red snapper? It's a red snapper. Okay.
Yeah, it's a snapper.
It's a head of a snapper. A shark.
Oh!
We
Ah,
just pay taxes on that.
yep.
That's the target species we want right there. Beautiful size, probably 8 to 10 pounds right there.
Wow.
Halfway up, it got lighter.
Yeah.
As I was reeling it in,
And you got took.
it got lighter.
Yep, we just pay taxes.
Hey, Ron, you here? You're like,
Oh,
yeah, I was like, why did it get lighter bringing it in?
damn. Target species.
Hey, Daryl, remember when I slowed it down?
Yeah,
Those wait, so I'm doing it,
Oh,
and then
yeah.
it got a little bit lighter,
he's still alive, buddy. Yeah.
and yeah, that's when
This is what.
that's what we're targeting, and that was the cut bait.
I go. Get that fish to the boat. It's a good one. It's a good one, bro. Oh my goodness. Both of y'all got a good one. Is this a double tap, double hookup? Double tap got a double hookup, boy. Look at this. Let's go. Don't pay taxes, guys. Get these to the boat. You rest, the fish
Don't
rest.
tell me we're on each other's lines.
Oh, that's funny. I bet this fish I got. Because the way yours is under the boat. Yeah, we're going to want to edit that out. So flip your bail, Tyrone, and then
Flip it open?
yeah, because
You think we're on the same line?
oh, hold on, I'm still reeling. Are you feeling that?
No, I wasn't feeling it.
No, it might be different. It's funny how it's under the boat though.
Yeah.
That target? There's a red snapper. Damn, dude.
Yeah, you get that. Mine's running. Mine's running.
Congratulations.
Beautiful.
Red snapper in the
All
boat.
right. All right. It's not just the head, Tyrone.
Hey, Ron, help that.
First one with red snapper. Go on, you got it, dude. Keep it going. Oh, I was gone.
No!
The hook.
Okay, yeah, see how I cut the hook?
Yeah. The way that hit was like a red snapper. It hit hard. You saw.
Yeah.
That thing.
Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as we did making it. We had a wonderful time out in the water today. That was my first time hooking up with a red snapper, first time catching that species. I'm hooked. I know I'll be back for sure. Also, Double Tap Fishing would like to express our deepest appreciation and thank you for our host and Captain Daryl. He promised a great day on the water and did not disappoint. Hey TJ, take us home.
Today was a good day out there. We were able to catch one of the targeted fish, red snapper right there caught by Ron. I was able to bring in these two trigger fish right here. Captain Daryl put us on some good spots for our fish. These are ones that we landed and keepers. You're looking out, Daryl. Double Tap out here in Florida. I can't wait to come out here and do it again. Check you guys out next time.